If Barrett is confirmed as expected, she'd be the first female justice with young kids at home.
10-year-old Juliet is already pursuing her goal of becoming an author by writing multiple essays and short stories, one of which she recently submitted for publication. And our youngest, Benjamin, is at home with friends. Benjamin has Down syndrome, and he is the unanimous favorite of the family.
If anyone understands the need for solid health care, it's a mom of 7 children. And yet,
I mean, they can't really go after Barrett the way they attacked Brett Kavanaugh 2 years ago. Democrats are concentrating on an issue they know all Americans care about, health care, and trying to convince them that a Justice Barrett is a sure threat to the Affordable Care Act.
It's beyond ironic that this administration, which has failed to respond to this pandemic, is rushing through a judge they believe will vote to strip away health care protections.
All this because Barrett once criticized Chief Justice John Roberts' ruling in an earlier Obamacare case.
They have no right to say that they know how Amy Coney Barrett would rule on any future case that she might consider on the Supreme Court of the United States involving the Affordable Care Act, based on her criticism of an obviously wrong, horrible decision made by John Roberts in 2012. They don't know that.
Republicans work to build a wall against any renewed attacks on Barrett's Catholic faith, considering her confirmation hearings to the 7th Circuit Court of Appeals.
65 million Americans are Catholics, and many millions more are Christians of other persuasions. Are they to be told that they cannot serve in public office, that they are not welcome in the public sphere unless the members of this committee sign off on their religious beliefs? I, for one, do not want to live in such an America, and the Constitution of the United States flatly prohibits it.
Because religious liberty is the fundamental 101 rule in American life, we don't have religious tests. This committee isn't in the business of deciding whether the dogma lives too loudly within someone.
Leading legal scholar John Yoo told CBN News Barrett needs to defend herself.
I hope that she will get up and just say exactly what John F. Kennedy said when he ran for president in 1960, that he's an American public servant first. He's a Catholic second.
One Christian congressman spoke today of Barrett's faith on display just hours before this hearing.
My wife and I sent Amy an encouraging text message late last night. We received a reply text at 5:05 a.m. Eastern time. Amy was up herself praying for today. That's the kind of person she is. She's grounded. She's genuine article.
I believe in the power of prayer, and it has been uplifting to hear that so many people are praying for me.
Meanwhile, all ears waited to hear Senator Kamala Harris, who blasted Brett Kavanaugh so viciously during his hearings. While she did go after Barrett a bit, she saved some ammo for Chairman Lindsey Graham for allowing this gathering during a pandemic. Although many hearings have taken place recently on Capitol Hill.
This hearing should have been postponed. The decision to hold this hearing now is reckless and places facilities workers, janitorial staff, and congressional aides and Capitol Police at risk.
Paul Strand, CBN News, reporting from Capitol